cardboard. You must be having this cardboard 9 centimeter by 9 centimeter. What I did is I just wrapped with the cellophane tape so that the yarn is not get stuck in the corners. Okay, so this is just my, you can wrap with the polythene or whatever so that it's getting a slippery one, right? If you are not having cardboard, another option is also available. See, this is a cover of that dhoop agarbatti. I have just cut it and then wrapped with the sellotape, and that's also your pom pom maker can be there. Everyone cannot have that pom pom maker that is originally available in the markets also. That is a costly one. So this is the cheapest way and easily available at our home. Right, ma'am? So we are going to make a pom pom with any color of yarn, whatever yarn you are having, just take it and then start wrapping. Keep the edge over here and then start wrapping and count it to 100. This round is 1 from here to here.
Capital 100.
Yes, ma'am, 100 times. Your 1 will count when you go and reach the this end, this way. Okay? Both the sides are covered. This is your 1 round, second round, third round, fourth round, like this. 100 you have to count. Okay, ma'am? Is it clear, everyone?
Yes.
Okay, fine. So 100 times we are wrapping. One will count till you reach the end. So I have done 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 14, 15, 16, 17, 21, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 30. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 40. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 50. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 60. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 70. 71, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 80. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 90, 91, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 100. 100 times I have wrapped it around it. Okay. So now take your scissor and cut from here. Fine. I have kept it aside. Ma'am, anywhere, if you feel any confusion, you can ask me anytime. I'll repeat it again and again. So please don't say that I'll not tell you or whatever. Anywhere you feel like you are having any confusion, just ask me immediately. Okay, ma'am? So everybody please be ready with this 100 times wrapping on the cardboard.
Ma'am, what is the size of the cardboard? 9 by 9?
9 centimeter by 9 centimeter.
Okay, 9 centimeter by...
Yeah, ma'am. This is
Okay,
for
thank
making a 2.5 inches diameter sized pom pom.
9 centimeter by 9 centimeter will be the cardboard.
Yeah, ma'am. It is like this.
Okay.
Big laddu.
Then we have to cut off the yarn.
Yeah, cut the yarn till here. When you reach at 100, cut it and keep it aside. I'm not touching it because I have to create a loop to hold it.
Why do you want to wrap it in that plastic cover? Plastic cover we have to. It is compulsory to put.
No, it's not. It's not compulsory. It is just because when you are wrapping your yarn, when you pull it out, it will get stuck in the corners. This is just to give a smooth edges.
Okay.
Just a hack. You say. Now after wrapping this much, I am taking around what you say 30 to 32 inches of yarn and then fold it in half like this. Okay, this much yarn. See, like this I have folded it together. Take it.
8 inches in the bone.
Okay. If dark color is visible to everyone,
Yes,
Yeah.
yes.
okay na, matlab,
Yeah.
shall I take a lighter one?
No.
No, it is visible, madam.
ठीक है. So I have taken a loop. If I fold it, it will go up to 16 inches, 15 to 16 inches. Okay. So keeping it like this over here. Now I am going to remove my wrapped yarn, but carefully remove it. I have removed and kept it like this. Okay. You will see your yarn is also like this. Fine. Now with the yarn, the loop that you have created, you know how to make a, what do you say, a knot. See, a slip knot kind of thing you have to make. Now I don't know what to say about this. So what I did is I have taken in my all the fingers and then held the two yarns together and then made a loop and wrap it over this group of yarns and then pull it tightly. Okay, a bow is created.
Yeah.
Okay, Rohita, did
Ma'am,
you
can
get
you
it?
show it again?
Just a second. Please try to look it once because all my these threads will these yarns will get scattered. So what I did
We
is,
used to tie flowers, no?
yeah,
In this way.
you can tie rubber up, but rubber will get at some time it will get sticky and it will come out. Your pom pom will get scattered when you wash it or you reuse it. Okay, so yarn is the perfect thing to cover, or the thread you can wrap it if you want to. Okay, so what I did is I have taken a long yarn and then held the loop in my fingers and then just see like this and then hold it like this. Made a loop. What everyone? Rohita, have you got it?
Yes.
No? Again, she didn't get. So, okay. Lie it down on the table or whatever surface you are having. Hold this loop side. Okay. Now hold it in your all the fingers like this. Keep your fingers on this side like this. Okay. Now this hand, the right hand where you have held all the whole loop, just go like this. See, a B is created. Now pick the center one loop like this and you will find a loop like this. Got it? Yes. Now wrap it over the 100 times covered yarn and pull it. Pull it as tightly as you can. A bow is created. Now you have to wrap it 1 or 2 times so that it is secured properly and you can tie a knot with your fingers over there like this. Okay. So what you are going to do is you have to secure it. Okay. And now tie the ends for two knots I am giving. Now my bow or a circle has been created kind of thing. Everybody got it? Okay. Now on the side the yarn is still connected. Here, don't cut this yarn. The loop, that long loop, please hold it together. Don't cut this because we are going to stitch our pom-poms on the base with this yarn only. Okay, so don't cut this long yarn. So this will help you. This long yarn, the loop that we have attached over it, we are going to use this long yarn to stitch this pom-pom on the base, right? So now on the sides, on the corners, just cut it with your scissors. Like this. All the folds you need to open. from sides.
கட் பண்ணி
Okay.
கீழே இருக்க யானை கட் பண்ணிருக்கா
Hmm?
going to tie it with the base.
I didn't get. What did you say? Okay. Now please trim it a bit to give it a round shape, because these are a big yarn strands. So when you brush it, it will get stuck in the brush only. Do not cut much of the yarn, just half of inches should be cut. If it is not perfectly in a circular shape, don't worry, because when we will brush it, after that we will give it a cutting, that will be a perfect shape for it. It is just to trim the extra edges. Now, this much the yarn, don't feel it's a waste. Collect it in a polythene. When you make amigurumi, this can be your stuffing also. This stuffing can be done. You know what? I have made plenty of pom-poms, and this is the filling I have collected, like this. Okay, so this can be a filling for your amigurumi projects, right? So now I'm going to take my brush. Just excuse me, my brush is in another bag. So let me take it and I'll show you. So this is a pet brush. It is available in pet stores, online as well. Okay. So if you are not having that, I know that everybody is not having a pet, because I bought it for my pet but never used it for it, and I used for my pom-poms. Okay.
Can use comb also, no?
Yes,
You were
ma'am.
told.
If you are not having the pet brush, it is having this metal this, what do you say, metal teeth. Okay, if you are not having that, you can use your hair comb also, because what we are going to do is we are going to open the strands only. That can be done with the hair brush or a hair comb or a pet brush. Okay, just lightly brush on the pom-pom. All the strands will get open and your pom-pom will be fluffiest and softest pom-poms. Don't pull so hardly, otherwise your strands will come out of the pom-pom. It's a pet brush made of metal teeth, very tiny metal teeth. It is available in pet shops, but I'm not saying you have to purchase it. It is just because I bought it, and that is why I'm using it. You can use the hair comb or hair brush.
Auntie, after cutting, what should we do?
After cutting, cut it. Just make it a circular one.
Okay.
Yours look like a bow only, na? So
Yeah.
keep it like a circle, and then brush with the hair comb or a pet brush or a hair brush.
Okay, like exactly like this, I have to make a circle kind of thing and do it with the brush.
Yes. When all the strands are open, then we are going to trim it in a circular shape. Now trim with your scissors so that the extra hair strands like will not come out, and it is a smooth round circular ball or sphere.
Auntie, kind of circle now. Should I cut the extra long yarn or
Yeah.
should I exactly do with the brush?
This long yarn, this loop should not be cut because with this we are going to attach on the base. Okay? So this long tail we are not going to cut. I'm going to hold it on my finger, wrapping it on my finger, and then cutting it to give it a shape.
Okay.
So you must have seen that when you have just wrapped and cut the yarn, and then your pom-pom was different, and when you open the strands, it is the fluffy pom-pom. This is the difference or perfect pom-pom. See, let me increase the light. Okay, so this is way, it is very soft like a velvet. It looks like a velvet thing. Okay, so this is the main
Auntie, is
thing.
this coat okay for the
Just brush it and try to open the strands. Okay.
Very nice.
Okay, everyone.
இல்லடி அதை பிரஷ் பண்ண சொன்னா வெளில வரும்.
So this is a technique to make a velvet kind of pom-pom. Otherwise, you can make a pom-pom with the normal by wrapping it and just cutting and giving it shape. But there will be, the yarn will be visible individually. In this